Hello, class. How are you doing? I hope you're having a great weekend. I just wanted to pop in here and explain to you what we're gonna do tomorrow in class, so you can be prepared and start preparing yourself. Okay? So I'm gonna explain the objective of tomorrow's class, the lesson, the activity, and the homework. If you're not gonna attend class tomorrow, please send me an email through our class Google Classroom so I can send you the work. So the objective of tomorrow's lesson is going to be to work on our math journal. We're going to write and draw definition of points, lines, segments, angles, perpendicular, and parallel lines. All those. um, that will later help you doing your independent work. So it's really important that you are there tomorrow. If not, please send me an email. I recommend you please watch this video before class so you can have a little bit of knowledge of what we're gonna do. Okay, we're gonna talk about angles, right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle. So it's better to be prepared. So please watch this video before class tomorrow. Um, Also tomorrow we're gonna go and watch another one and have a little discussion. So it's good to be prepared, guys. Um. Together, as I said, we're gonna create a short about lines, point, all the words that we have to learn for this new unit. And independently, you're gonna work in activities like this one. You have to draw the arm by joining points and identifying the form of angle, acute, right, or obtuse. You're gonna work independently, so maybe we can work in groups. We'll see, guys. And finally, I want to remind you to please don't forget to do at least 30 minutes in STMAT daily from Monday to Friday. You have the weekend off. But remember, at the end of the Friday, I'm going to check and I have to see that you made all your time in STMAT. So this is just a reminder, guys. Enjoy your Sunday and see you tomorrow in class. Bye-bye.